go to menu and click deal saving, then clearance store. See, collect now, up to 70% offer. Collect now. Click collect now, and then they will show you. After you finish to collect now, see, you will see all the products. You receive up to 70%, so you can check which product you want to buy, then collect the coupon, then you will see the different price. So yeah, move forward, check. See that I am trying to checking this headphone. I got 40%. See, the price of this headphone is, real price is 937. When I'm finished to collect the coupon, see, you will see the difference of the price, changing of the price also. See, the price changed from 937 to 562 only. So this is the platform for us to earn money online. So if your friends want to buy, then you can sell it to your friend in this price now, in this 937. So see, all you will find here. Then you can check other products, so you can do same as I'm showing from the beginning. Okay, so see, check.